In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Sui meme coins using Phantom. To get started, make sure you have the Phantom app opened and that you're successfully logged into your account. Once you reach the homepage, you'll be able to see your balance and a list of your tokens. It's important that Sui is enabled on your account, as this will be necessary to trade, buy, or sell meme coins. To confirm that Sui is enabled, start by clicking on your profile. From there, navigate to the Settings menu. Within Settings, find and click on Active Networks. This section will provide you with a list of networks, and you can quickly identify whether Sui is enabled or not. If it isn't, simply enable it to proceed with your trading process. With Sui now active, return to the home page to begin the trading process. On your screen, locate and click on the search icon. This is your gateway to finding platforms where you can explore trending meme coins. While there are several platforms you might consider, for simplicity's sake, let's use Dex Screener for this demonstration. However, feel free to choose any platform that you're comfortable with. Once on Dex Screener, focus your attention on the left-hand side where you'll need to select Sui. This action will narrow down the coins available, focusing only on those you can trade with Sui. After that, it's time to select the specific token you want to trade. Spend some time considering which token aligns with your trading goals and appetite for risk. After choosing your preferred token, head over to the right side of the screen and click on Trade. This crucial step will bring you to the trading interface. Here, you'll be prompted to specify the coins you want to trade. Input the appropriate coin under You Pay and select your desired coin under You Receive. Make sure your selections reflect exactly what you wish to trade and obtain. The final step involves connecting your wallet, which is critical for executing the transaction. Click on Connect Wallet and follow the on-screen prompts. The system will guide you through several steps to secure your wallet connection. Be patient and ensure each step is completed accurately to avoid any trading errors. And there you have it. You're now ready to buy Sui meme coins using Phantom. Remember, every trading decision should be made with thorough research and careful planning.